Ya,
Ahí
ya.
está.
Ujú.
Oh, hi people, this is Mario, and what I'm trying to say is, if you wonder if Luigi, he's somewhere and we told in Yoshi. Okay, I'm gonna be going over to snow to show you all
After the storm.
yeah, after the storm. Thank you. Okay,
Okay, come here, Andres.
we're gonna go that way.
That way, okay. You have a look. We are starting on Carman Avenue. Okay, you can see Carman Avenue. Some people are
And
cleaning.
people haven't watched the car yet because it's really like too much wind.
Okay. Okay, Andres. You walk
Now
with me. Okay, let's go. Walk and speak.
you better be walking, or if you don't, you slip. That's the real truth.
Okay, speaking, Andres.
And now, as you can see, water is frozen. And if you saw this view today, the night, it's gonna be snow again, huh?
¿No vas a imitar la voz de Andrés, de Mario?
Oh yeah,
Hey Mario, you need to speak, Mario.
okay, I am. Anyway,
¿Cómo,
look at that.
how do you feel, Mario, about the storm?
I feel really cold, and also
Tienes que imitar la voz de él, Andrés. Camina adelante, no, hay que
I
caminar.
really feel super cold, and I feel bad because snow is covering the door, so everybody can like go. That's what I feel sad about. And anyway, as you can see, see the wind? That's the wind. When people move or something like that and they run super fast, the wind is gonna take you. And it's snowing again. As you heard something, as you see the hard workers there, they're working. We call that laboring, right?
Yes.
Laboring.
Vámonos. Vámonos. Y Andrés, ya, y entonces, camina adelante. Pero no te preocupes por mí. Camina, Andrés. No me volvas a ver a mí, vos caminá. Ay, ya, volví a ver allá, chiquito, enfrente. No me volvas a ver a mí, ante enfrente, dale. Hala, Andrés.
If we can see yellow snow, we'll find out of yellow snow.
Hi. He's making a film with Mario. He's making a film with Mario. Mario Bros. Yes, he's watching after the storm.
Snow covering, snow's not covering.
Se te lo orilla de la calle, Andrés, que está peligroso la... Hacete la orilla, Andrés, estás en el centro de la carretera, hacete la orilla, seguí, ahí.
How blue snow comes is when people something like oil or water to your eyes. Just when you you put water to our eyes, it's gonna change to us. And then, that's how it turns. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is, how this videos on YouTube, people are wanting to things, so they'll give them a code. It's really dangerous to walk here. And look at snow over there. It's dangerous.
It's impassable.
Yes.
It's impassable there, Andres. Come here, Andres. It's impassable. The sidewalks are covered with snow. All the sidewalks are covered with snow.
Everybody, please subscribe. Please do one like for this because we're trying really hard to do something. But see you in the next episode. Bye, everybody. To another episode.
Ahora habla en español, pues. Imita la voz, dale, seguimos. Y que aquí vamos a un recorrido. No te preocupes por esto. Yo te voy mirando. Vos hablá y ingeniate una idea con Mario Bros. Acordate que la idea es que andamos recorriendo las calles después de la tormenta de nieve.
We're just gonna continue for a bit and see for some more. You know, and look at that. Snow is riding a bicycle. People can even get out or anything. Or why or not. You know that the stores are closed right now. Not even one store is open because of snow. Now it's pretty dangerous to be. No stores are open when there's snow. Not even one. And look at that window over there. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's in that building over there. It can try its house. Going on top, so they can also help.
Hi.
Okay, I guess that's over with now. And if you see that side, we have some brown snow, and we have some snow covering the mailbox and also everything like that. And this wouldn't work like that. Oh, right. I was sorry. It's okay. Anyway. See? Closed. 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 Everything's closed because of the snow. See? Closed. Nothing's open right now. And everything's stopped. Anyway, as you see, last time, Mario, the other Mario and Luigi was speaking. That was the kind of episode that we made, but they were taking that time. They were talking about the hurricane thing, right?
Yes.
And now,
Yes, Mario. Yes.
And now here we're talking about the good weather of the snow. And look at that. One car, my friend, snow, everything. This video is going on YouTube, as you pretty much know, because it's a rain YouTube. Anyway, I like to see Mario Logan show and Super Nintendo. I'm not sure you can see them.
Hi.
strong water. And again, this feels so cold on YouTube. And no trains are here now because of the snow. Again, because of the snow. You can see, look, it's in the train track. No, even one train can come. Snow. Some snow might look like
Okay.
nothing.